Today I am reviewing the Stratos Micro gaming desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of the system, the processor. Inside the Stratos Micro beats the incredible AMD Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, featuring 8 cores, 16 threads, and boost speeds of up to 5.0 GHz. Thanks to AMD's cutting-edge 7nm architecture, this CPU is an absolute powerhouse for both gaming and multitasking. Whether you're deep into a fast-paced shooter, editing 4K footage, or live streaming while chatting with your audience, this chip keeps your experience smooth, responsive, and efficient. Now combine that with a graphics card, and we're entering another league entirely. This rig is equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, packing a jaw-dropping 32 GB of ultra-fast DDR5 memory. That's right, this GPU doesn't just handle today's ray-traced AAA titles with ease, it also crushes through 4K, VR, and even 8K workflows. With the RTX 5090, you're not just future-proofed, you're future-dominated. It delivers realistic lighting, sharp textures, and insanely high frame rates. If you're a competitive gamer or a creative professional, this card gives you the headroom to max out every setting without breaking a sweat. Next up, memory and storage, and this PC doesn't hold back. You get a massive 64 GB of blazing fast DDR5 RAM clocked at 5,600 MHz. That means silky smooth multitasking, from dozens of Chrome tabs and Discord servers to game sessions, video editing, and more simultaneously. The 2TB NVMe SSD ensures lightning-quick boot times, ultra-fast game loading, and virtually no waiting around. It's up to 30 times faster than a traditional hard drive, making it perfect for professionals and gamers alike. Cooling and aesthetics also get special attention in the Stratos Micro. With 6 ARGB PWM fans pre-installed, this rig not only stays cool under pressure, but looks incredibly stylish doing it. You get dynamic lighting, powerful airflow, and intelligent fan speed control to keep temperatures in check without the noise. And it all comes wrapped in a Stratos Micro case featuring a tempered glass front panel, a hinged glass side door, and 3 durable metal blade accents. The design screams premium, and it looks just as good on a desk as it performs in-game. You'll also appreciate the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, providing fast, stable wireless connectivity for your online games, streaming sessions, or wireless peripherals. Whether you're pairing a headset, connecting a printer, or streaming your gameplay, this PC ensures rock-solid connections without lag or dropout. Out of the box, the system runs on Windows 11 Professional, giving you more control over updates, networking, and advanced settings compared to the standard Home Edition. It also comes free of bloatware, which means you get a clean setup from the get-go. No need to waste time uninstalling junk. And here's something you rarely see these days. Empowered PC assembles these systems right here in the USA. Each one is rigorously stress-tested before shipping, ensuring rock-solid reliability. On top of that, you get lifetime technical support, plus a 3-year limited hardware warranty. That's real peace of mind in an industry where many brands leave you on your own after the sale. Also included in the box is a rainbow backlit USB keyboard and an LED USB mouse, so you're ready to start gaming the moment it arrives. So, to sum it all up, the Empowered PC Stratos Micro isn't just a desktop. It's a high-performance, professionally built powerhouse that's designed for serious gamers, creators, and anyone who refuses to settle. With next-gen hardware, future-proof specs, a premium build, and unmatched support, this PC is ready to handle anything you throw at it for years to come.